Are you ready? We're gonna do some rice. Ingredients: asparagus, onions, jalapeño, garlic, turmeric powder, butter, oil, and some chicken stock. Duh. And of course, rice. All right, so for the asparagus, we're just gonna give it a nice little cut. We don't want this bottom part. It tastes like wood, actually. Try it. You don't die if you eat it, but it's definitely gonna taste like wood. Then here, we're going to cut them in, I don't know, what is that? 2-inch sections. That's it. Done. Put this in a bowl. Now it's the onion. Now the onion, I'm gonna cut it like this from root to tip. And we're going to take off the skin. And no more skin. Now take the tip off. Gone. And let's make it like they do it on TV. Boy, howdy, I have this really sharp knife, and it is, this onion, cutting this onion is like cutting through butter. It's beautiful. 1 slice, 2 slice, 3 slice, 4 slice, because it's the home slice. Okay, that was really corny. All right, done. Beautiful. Jalapeno, take off the stem. Not good eats. You can go ahead and try it if you like. You're not gonna die, but it doesn't taste good. All right, so now let's make this into long strips. Beautiful. I love my knife. And we're gonna make this a little bit. For garlic, we're not gonna do any major presentation. If you wanna do major presentation, then you would cut the bottom off. Then you would peel the skin off like this, and you'd be all nice. But the easy way, so here's the one that I was struggling with, getting the skin undone. And this is the brand new one that I just pulled off of the garlic clove or the head. Then take this bottom part off, this one right here. And then we're going to take the knife here. We're going to crush. There we go, done. Skin comes off that easy. Isn't that great? We're gonna be using the Instant Pot. Fantastic. Every kitchen must have the Instant Pot or a pressure cooker, but better the Instant Pot because you can not only do Instant Pot pressure cooker, but you can do pressure cooker and slow cooker. And it takes the guessing time out of it because you can time this. You can put the time in that you want, press the start button, and then you're out of there. Butter. The vegetables we just finished cutting. All of them. Throw them all in there. Yum. Woo. 2 teaspoons of salt. 1, 2. Stir. A half teaspoon of pepper. A tablespoon of turmeric. It is going to be so delicious. Turmeric is going to have this woody smell to it. Now, I guess it doesn't sound that good when you talk about it, but it is delicious when you put this into the rice. And turmeric is anti-inflammatory and a whole bunch of other stuff that my wife tells me is really good for me. Excellent. Now, time for the rice. 2 cups of rice. 3 cups of chicken broth or stock. Now, if you want 2 cups, that's fine. Now, so 2 cups of rice and 2 cups of broth, but I like to make it a little bit more moist, and especially since we're doing the vegetables, I'm gonna put 3. It's on saute, we're gonna cancel that, and we're gonna make it rice, right there. Put the top on. Make sure the nozzle is not on venting, but on sealing. Very good, I let the steam just come out by itself. It's called a slow release or just natural release. I didn't take it off, I don't flip the nozzle, it's just releases by itself. Here we open it up. Ooh, so beautiful. Oh my goodness. And what's cool about this is that the Instant Pot has like this little notch where you can put the lid on it as you just smell this fragrant rice. It smells, I can smell the jalapeños, the asparagus, the turmeric is just filling, and look at the, oh my goodness, look at this, it's so beautiful. The turmeric is turned everything yellow. It smells just super fragrant, and look at how the rice looks. It is big, it's thick, it's flaky, it's just the right amount of water. It's delicious. Time to load up my cup. This is something that I learned in Peru. I just load this cup up. Oh, so good. And then I plate it. I made that just the other day with a great recipe. It's pork shoulder. Now the rice. Okay, yeah, plating is everything. Big plate, small portions. Maybe I should have thought that on it. Super delicious. Look at that. Look at that. Of course, you can't have rice and some of this beautiful pork shoulder without tortillas, which I warmed up. Let's try this rice. Look how flaky it is. Oh my goodness, the steam. Delicious. Taste the jalapeños, which is that one right there. Not spicy at all. Turmeric comes out, very bold flavor. The asparagus, this is more jalapeno. Asparagus, so good for you. You need to try this at home. So good. The turmeric is really good for you. The vegetables is good for you. What a great way of eating vegetables with your rice. A little bit of meat. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put my rice right here and my tortilla with some of this beautiful pork shoulder that I made right there. I'm going to make a little taco like this, and I'm going to make it. Make it mine. Please try this. Use the Instant Pot. You're gonna love it. You're gonna enjoy it. Why? It's such an easy machine. You can saute and you can pressure cook it right there. That means there's one less pot you have to clean, right? Am I right? You set it up, rice or whatever it is that you're gonna cook, and you forget about it. It beeps, it tells you when it's ready. You come down, you put it on a plate like this, and then you have a great meal. This is good for Sundays, good for when you come home from work. Just plug it in, beep, and you're ready to go. If you like this, please enjoy. Watch it over and over again, which is what I do when I'm watching Food Network or watching other, cooking on the TV, until I learn the technique, and then I do it. My family loves it. I love it. I think I love it more. In any case, subscribe, like, subscribe, and come on back.